On these quiet streets in South Austin sits an amazing property that I'm gonna show you about. Literally, South Congress is right there. A really awesome house is right there. Let me show you the house. Let me show you what you get being in this area in South Congress, because it is gonna be absolutely amazing. Here we go. What's really great about this complex, there's not a ton of units in here. If you are buying other units in here, they are smaller. But what's great is there you have this patio area. There is an HOA. You have a pool right below us right here. But look over here. Look camera guy, over there. You have views of downtown. You have views of downtown. You have some of the coolest buildings. In fact, we've shot content in that building right there not too long ago. And you get to have views right here of downtown. Where are you gonna get that in most complexes? Oh yeah, and like a block that way is South Congress. So let me actually show you the pool. What's great about this complex is it does have its own pool. So if you are going to Airbnb this out, it's a selling feature for anybody that's coming to do Airbnb, because this does allow Airbnb right now. You have a pool in the complex right here. The unit is literally right there. You walk out the unit with your floaties, right? You walk out with your floaties and you hop right in the pool, because the unit's right there, the pool's right here. And then when you're done, you go over and get a Joe's coffee. Now we've made it inside this AirBnb condo that's here in SoCo. There's a lot to love about this. This is over a 1,200 square foot condo. Again, the heart of SoCo. You can Airbnb this as of right now, which is awesome. This is a very nice open concept kitchen, living room, dining floor plan for this condo. On top of that, this condo has 3 full bedrooms. Now, one of the bedrooms, I guess you could say, is a master because it has an attached bathroom, but then you have a bathroom for the 2 other bedrooms. And all of these rooms are a good size. Now, there's a small back patio on this unit, so you do get this little back patio. But the complex, being next to SoCo, being this close to downtown, is what you came here to see. So one other thing, let's talk about the kitchen. I love that they've remodeled this kitchen, have nice style stone countertop. The lighting in here is fantastic. This is a great condo for you to love. I love it. In fact, I kind of want to buy it myself. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, a block away from SoCo, with a nice kitchen, stainless appliances, and all this fun stuff. Why don't we go show you SoCo, why you buy this location? Let's go. Everybody wants to be in South Congress, especially if they're going to be renting a property, because this is the life of Austin. When people think about Austin, they think about South Congress. So right now, we are literally less than a block away from the listing that we just showed you. Right here, behind me, is the iconic Joe's Coffee. Right down the street, just right here, is Torchy's Tacos. Amy's Ice Cream is right over there. White Tigers across the street. All the fun things that people want to do are right here. Look, from the unit we were just at, you could grab a scooter and go down to Zilker Park, which is right there. If you work downtown, let's maybe say you work at Google, you can grab a scooter and go down South Congress over the bridge. You can see the bats while you're there, and you can head right to work. Oh yeah, and if you want to do the bat tour, it's right down the street. Yeti, if you want to go get your Yeti and become a Texan, a true Texan, walk down the street and get your Yeti. Look, people that want to come rent a property, especially Airbnb, are going to want to do it right here near the life of South Congress. So we are at the right spot. Now, there's a lot to love about the unit we are at. So if you decide, I just want to live next to South Congress, I don't even want to Airbnb this thing out, this is a great unit for that. Because again, you have all the food options that you could imagine right here, all the nightlife options you could imagine right here. My friend owns a Meteor right down the street. Maybe you take your bike down to Meteor, you grab yourself a glass of wine. Whatever it is you want to do, you have it right here. So what are you going to do? You're going to reach out to me because you're going to want to find this listing or any other listing on our YouTube channel. You're definitely going to want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Look, there's people going down the street on scooters right now. Scooter in their way. I love it. So you're going to want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you're going to want to reach out to us because, look, we have a lot of listings on the market right now, and you can come in and buy an awesome one. We'll see you in the next video.